Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to exit big picture mode. So you may be clicking around the screen and you don't see an obvious way to exit. You could even press the Windows button on your computer and you can just exit this way and just relaunch Steam if you really want. But if you go down to here, if you press the Windows button, you can go to exit big picture mode. But you can do this a lot easier with your controller. So you may see menu down here, go to power. And then you have the option to exit big picture mode right here, or exit Steam. I believe you can get here by pressing the PlayStation or Xbox button once. Open the side menu, go to power, go to exit big picture mode, and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.